Hi everyone, welcome to Healthy Mindset. Today we'll be discussing 7 healthy snacking options and why they are good for you. Snacking is a great way to keep your energy levels up throughout the day and avoid overeating during meals. But not all snacks are created equal. It's important to choose snacks that are not only delicious but also nutrient-dense and low in calories. So, without further discussion, let's dive into the 7 healthy snacking options. Number 1. Berries. Berries, such as blueberries, strawberries, raspberries, and blackberries, are packed with antioxidants, fiber, and vitamins. They are also low in calories and sugar, making them an excellent choice for a healthy snack. Antioxidants help protect your cells from damage, fiber keeps you full and supports digestive health, and vitamins help support various functions in your body. Number 2. Cheese. Cheese is high in protein and calcium, which is essential for strong bones and teeth. It's also a good source of healthy fats, which can help you feel full and satisfied for longer. When choosing cheese, opt for lower fat options, such as mozzarella or goat cheese. Number 3. Popcorn. Popcorn is a whole grain that is high in fiber and low in calories. It's a great snack option when you're craving something crunchy and salty. Just be sure to skip the butter and salt and opt for air-popped popcorn instead. Number 4. Hummus. Hummus is made from chickpeas, which are high in protein and fiber. It's also a good source of healthy fats and can help keep you feeling full between meals. Hummus can be paired with vegetables, whole grain crackers, or pita bread for a tasty and nutritious snack. Number 5. Greek yogurt. Greek yogurt is high in protein and calcium, which makes it an excellent snack for building muscle and maintaining strong bones. It's also a great source of probiotics, which can help improve your gut health. Opt for plain Greek yogurt and add your own fruit or honey for flavor. Number 6. Edamame. Edamame is a type of soybean that is high in protein and fiber. It's also a good source of vitamins and minerals, such as folate and iron. Edamame can be steamed and seasoned with salt or garlic for a tasty and nutritious snack. Number 7. Almonds. Almonds are high in healthy fats, fiber, and protein. They're also rich in vitamin E, which is a powerful antioxidant that can help protect your cells from damage. Just be sure to watch your portion sizes, as almonds are also high in calories. Thanks for watching, and I hope you found this video helpful in choosing healthy snacking options. Remember, snacking doesn't have to be unhealthy or boring. There are plenty of delicious and nutritious options out there. If you have any other healthy snacking ideas or tips, be sure to share them in the comments below. And don't forget to like and subscribe to our channel for more helpful videos on health and wellness. Until next time, keep making healthy choices and taking care of yourself. See you in the next video.